What is up, guys? Today we're going to build this auxiliary fence and setup board. It's a super easy way to add some capacity to your router table. This simple auxiliary fence and setup jig allows you to take full advantage of the entire surface of the router table top with accurate, repeatable measurements. This should make it a lot easier for you to make the jigs and fixtures that we've designed for the MATCHFIT system with 4-inch spacing. For this project, you'll need the following: a table saw, 1/4-inch straight or spiral router bit, a 1/2-inch 14-degree dovetail router bit, a 1/2-inch diameter Forstner bit, a router table with a collet for 1/2-inch shank router bits, MATCHFIT dovetail clamps, a drill press or a handheld drill with a guide to keep your drill straight. Materials needed are 1 strip of 3/4-inch thick plywood, 1 1/4-inch wide by 24 inches long, 1 strip of 3/4-inch thick plywood 2 inches wide by 24 inches long, and 1 12-inch by 20-inch piece of 3/4-inch thick plywood or MDF. Step 1. Cut your stock to size. Cut a piece of 3/4-inch thick plywood or MDF to 12 inches by 20 inches. This will be your setup board. Cut a strip of 3/4-inch plywood 1 1/4 inches wide by 24 inches long, and another strip of 3/4-inch plywood at 2 inches wide and 24 inches long. Step 2. Assemble your auxiliary fence. Glue the edge of the 1 1/4-inch wide strip to the face of the 2-inch wide strip, forming a 90-degree L shape. Make sure the edges are flush, then clamp them together. After the glue's dry, put a 1/4-inch straight or spiral router bit in your router and set it at a cutting depth of 11/32 of an inch. Set your router table fence to 1 inch from the center of the collet. Route a relief groove down the center of the 1 1/4-inch wide strip. Replace the router bit with a 1/2-inch 14-degree dovetail router bit. Set the cutting depth to 3/8 of an inch and route a dovetail track in the same location as the relief groove. Step 3. Drill your setup board holes. Draw a line 4 inches in from the long edge along its entire length. Next, draw a perpendicular line 4 inches in from the short side. Then draw another line 12 inches in from the same short side. Using a 1/2-inch diameter Forstner bit, drill holes at both intersections where the perpendicular lines meet. Operation. With a 1/2-inch shank router bit installed securely in the router, raise the bit up as far as it'll go so that the shank of the bit sits above the router table top. Place the setup board over top of the bit so that the hole fits snugly around the shank. Both holes will give you a 4-inch and an 8-inch measurement. Use hole A to set your fence to 16 inches and hole B to set your fence to 12 inches. Bump your auxiliary fence up to the edge of the setup board according to your desired measurement and clamp the fence in place using the MATCHFIT dovetail clamps. Be sure to account for the orientation of the auxiliary fence and feed material in the same direction that you normally would relative to the bit's rotation. That's it. Pretty simple, right? This should make it a lot easier for you to make the jigs and fixtures that we've designed for the MATCHFIT system with 4-inch spacing. If you want to do your own spacing, you can do that. Go nuts. Be sure to visit us at microjig.com/matchfitplans for more tutorial videos and project plans that you can download for free. Yes, free. You're welcome. Thanks for watching.